This brief tutorial will explain how to access the viewer for the city's GIS, or Geographic Information System, and the use of a few basic tools. No special software is required to use the system, just a browser and an internet connection. A user ID is not needed. The easiest way to access the GIS viewer is through CCNet. If you don't know how to access CCNet, you may want to momentarily pause this video on this instruction screen. Once you're at CCNet, hover over Links and Resources, then click on City Links, and then on Internal GIS. So what can you do when you get here? You can find out information about land and property. You can zoom in on the map or out using your mouse wheel. You can also zoom by using the zoom tool. You have to drag your mouse across it to see it. Notice that when I'm not hovering over it, the tool disappears. You can click plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out. You can also use the slide button. You can move around the map by clicking and dragging. To get information about a parcel, click the Identity button. Let's zoom in a little. I can select a parcel to get more information about that parcel. To see the parcel lines a little better, click the Map Contents button and select Parcels for Aerial Photos. Clicking that box will put a check mark in it, but notice that the check mark's pretty faint. This puts a yellow outline around all the parcels. I'm going to clear this and start with a fresh map by closing down my menus and doing a refresh. That's the F5 key. It's common to search for a parcel either by the owner or the address. If you want to search by property owner, click the pull-down menu and select Owner. You can type in Smith to find all the parcels that are owned by a person or organization with Smith in the name. Each red dot indicates one of the Smith parcels our search found. I'm going to click the Clear button to do another search. If I type in Carson, I'll get every piece of property owned by someone named Carson. Again, those are the parcels in red. I can click on each of those to get more information. If you get a lot of hits on your search, I got 599, you can click the Grid button. That will present the data in tabular format. Remember to click the Clear button before you start a new search. You can minimize this search box by clicking that button, but to get it back, you've got to hover right over the binoculars. Anywhere else, it won't work. This concludes part 1 of this introductory tutorial on the GIS Viewer.